Dear students, good afternoon to all. My name is Sunil Kumar. I'm from Manual Group. I'm the director founder of Manual Group. So today I would like to introduce few of the services which we are providing under Manual Group in terms of education. Here we are conducting career guidance program under the name of Manual Group. So in this career guidance program, we are willing to give the options to the college going students who are in the first, second and third years. It can be any sort of degree, and how to plan the career, what is after 12th, what is after degree, and what is after engineering. So right now we are located in Hyderabad, New Delhi and Visakhapatnam, and in future we are willing to start the centers in other parts of India. So students, here you can see Manual Group. In that we have few of the companies. The first one is Manual IAS Academy. As the name itself tells you, we are providing coaching for civil services in terms of UPSC. In that civil service examination coaching, this is for all the graduates or undergraduates irrespective of the degree program, where we are providing civil service coaching within their college premises after the college hours. And the second one is manual education. So in manual education, apart from civil service coaching, we are providing other services coaching in terms of IES, GATE, CAT, SSC, bank exams, because every student, he or she might be not interested for civils, because some students, they plan their career accordingly. So we want to create an opportunities to every student who is in the graduation, so that they can able to justify according to their preparation whichever career they wanted to go for. And the third one is manual campus training and placement services. This is this is related to campus placements. As you know that irrespective of degree, engineering or PG programs, we are providing campus interviews for the final year students. And we have 100 plus companies, and I have a team of 100 plus faculties and trainers who work in different colleges, and we provide placement assistance. We have few of the companies of core and even non-core. We deal with banking, finance, including IT. So this particular training program is specially for the final year students, but irrespective of that, we are also training the students from the first year. Because campus placements, there is exam in terms of aptitude, reasoning and verbal, and including interview. So my team, they will be giving guidance in terms of aptitude, reasoning and verbal skills, and we are going to conduct this particular program in the college premises. And the fourth one is manual software training and placement service. So this is specially an IT training. We train the engineering graduates and BSc and BCom graduates. The students were willing to go for IT training, especially in the field of cloud computing, in the field of SaaS, and in the field of IoT. So this particular company, we train the professionals who are already working in an IT company, but even though they are not happy with the present job, and if they wanted to shift their career to a new domain in terms of cloud computing and clinical SaaS, we have experts of faculties and trainers in New Delhi, Hyderabad, where these training programs are conducted, and by this training program we will be assisting them placement services in top MNCs. And the next company is Manual Overseas Education. As the word itself tells you, this deals related to the foreign education. As in India, since last few years, many students, they are interested to go abroad. And the reason for going abroad is education and in terms of job. So I have a team of professionals who train the students from various streams in the level of overseas education. In that, we are going to provide GRE, GMAT, TOEFL, IELTS, and we support the students in the countries like US, UK, Canada, Australia, and Europe. So this program is also conducted within the college premises. And the last one is Manual Technologies. So as an initiative, we are working for various US projects, including green technologies. As you know that the future is green energy, and in terms of biofuels. So this company takes care of the various projects in terms of providing green energy platforms, in terms of energy development and collaborating with few of the companies in the world to work for the green initiative. So students, these all companies, as you can see, they work independently with a team of faculties with expertise advice. So my initiative is that when we visit a college, there we want to provide all sort of career guidance programs for all the students, irrespective of the career, because it is not at all mandatory that everybody should have same vision, same goal, or same sort of career guidance. So we want to open the options where a student can get the same sort of coaching from experts within the college premises, where they can choose any one of the services depending upon their career. And I can guarantee that my expertise team, who is working in various sectors, they can provide 100% guarantee with a good exposure in terms of industry, along with exposure in terms of colleges, exams, and including various levels of interview skills. So these 6 companies which you can see, we completely work for the career guidance program. And here I would like to give few inputs related to Manure IAS Academy. Under Manure IAS Academy, right now working with various colleges around India, where we are conducting All India Scholarship Test, and it is called as Manure All India Talent and Scholarship Exam. And this exam is going to be conducted on April 4th, 2022, and we are able to start the batch on June 1st. And under this initiative, we are providing 50 to 100% of scholarship in terms of means reducing the fees from 50 to 100%. So our, as we are from Delhi, we've seen many students visiting Delhi every year, where the cost of the coaching is very high. Somewhere it comes around 2 to 3 lakhs. In some cases, it is even 4 to 5 lakhs, including hostel. So we want to give an opportunity for the students around India, where the students who are from the rural background and who are economically weak, but they are having a passion to prepare for civil services. For such sort of students, we wanted to conduct independent examination in terms of scholarship, where the students were selected in that particular exam. We are going to train them, give the same sort of guidance. As you can see that in my team, we have 100 plus experienced faculties from New Delhi and Hyderabad, and we are going to give the same sort of coaching, where we are going to cover the mock papers, test series, we will be giving the study material, we will be having the various types of interview guidance skills within the college premises. This sort of initiative, we feel that it might help many students who are willing to prepare for civils. So the next one is career guidance program. In that, we would like to start an initiative. Like many students in India, they have a doubt. What after 12th standard? This is a question mark. And many parents and students, they don't plan the career accordingly. Like when the student is in class 10th or she is in class 10th, they might be going for some stream like arts or science and some other sector. But even after completing 12th, they are in confusion what to do next, because people don't have a proper guidance at a proper time. So in this initiative, we are planning to have a career guidance program before 12th examination, where we are going to clear few of the areas. Like you can see, after 12th, some people might choose engineering, some might go to medical, some might go to commerce, some might choose arts. So it depends upon their personal choice. Some might choose different sectors like law. So it is about to decide, because after you decide some particular stream, it will become your career. And if you don't choose a proper career path at a proper time, it might disturb your life in terms of again repeating a new examination or applying for a new degree. So in this situation, we would like to give you few areas of, like you can see here, we have divided the segment into, the first one is engineering graduates. Like if any engineering student is there, he or she, they might have a doubt what after engineering. And as you know that in engineering colleges, maximum colleges, they do have campus placements, and in few colleges they have placements even in the third year, means they are getting pre-offer letters, so that they can join immediately after the final year examinations once they're done with the graduation. So what about other students? we have seen across in many colleges that every student is not interested in sort of campus placements. Might be they have some different career goals. Some might be thinking for CAT, some might be GRE, TOEFL, some want to go abroad studies, they want to do some PG programs. Some might be interested in GATE or PSU exams. And I've seen few of the students, they are willing to go for IES, which is an engineering service exam, which is conducted by UPSC. And few students, they might have a career option like UPSC. So this is quite confusing what to decide, what to do, what is next. So my team of expertise, they will train the students in the colleges by making them aware of what to choose according to their interest. So here we would like to give some guidance to the students of engineering also to select the path according to the futuristic approach. And we are able to cover BCom. As some students were in BCom, like they have different streams in BCom. And since last few years, there are placement services even for engineering, BCom, BSc, BBM, all the sectors. But the job criteria are quite different. Like from last few years, even MNC companies are visiting BCom colleges in various streams. But every student in that particular area or that particular college is not willing to go for a job. So what is options? Like they can go for civil service examination coaching, they can go abroad, they can open up the next examinations in terms of MBA, they can write the GMAT exams, some are interested in CAT exam, some might be interested in banking SSC like staff selection commission, and some might be interested for PG entrance programs. So it is about a candidate choice. But how will you do that? Who will tell you? Who will guide you? Because I've seen students after completing their graduation, they're in very big problem of deciding what is next. So we wanted to assist students in all the sectors where they can decide the future in the terms of their degree program itself. So the next is BA. As everybody knows that BA, Bachelor of Arts, this is a stream where maximum people studying in BA, they will be opting for civil services, because the syllabus of civil services is almost the same what they learn in an engineering in a degree college. So technically my team is more focused in civil services in comparatively BA, because here the people they study history, geography, polity. The same syllabus is in civil service examination. So here we are providing special training for them in terms of working in the same area, in the same subject which is part of their graduation. So here we are giving scholarship, we are giving 3 years degree plus civil service program, where we are giving even campus placements for few people. But as you know, Bachelor of Arts are not eligible for many companies because they have a criteria of selecting at least a BCom or a engineering graduate. So when it comes to BA, the options are quite limited. So in that sector also, we need to identify the people. Might be some are interested for civils and some might be interested for further studies. So based on all this, we would also love to focus on medical and law students. As you know that medical students, they have very few options. But after MBBS, what is next? Might be many people who are pursuing MBBS, they are willing to go abroad for their next program. But we have some exams in India like UPSC CMS, like Combined Medical Service Exam, which is conducted by UPSC. They have some PG entrance programs also for the next activities. They have UPSC IAS exam. And we have law students where the opportunities are quite less, because either you need to practice as a lawyer, you need to go for the further examination for certifications. But since last few years, we have seen that students from engineering, students from medical, students from law, they are appearing for UPSC. And in some cases, the law students will be studying the same syllabus which is part of UPSC. So here we are like dividing the sectors according to the graduation. So students, I hope everyone understood, like our main agenda is to make the student aware of the career, what after 12th. If some students were in already they are graduating or they're in college, we want to give them some options like what is next. So by these initiatives, we want to make an awareness within the college campuses, where we are tying up with some colleges in India, where we are conducting some seminars in terms of career guidance program. And our agenda is only one: we want to support more students where they can choose a proper career path. And in this initiative, right now we are working in Delhi, Hyderabad, Visakhapatnam, and other parts of India, where we are also exploring in other states in the next coming 1 or 2 years. So I wish everyone liked this video. So thank you once again, and I wish you all the best for your career. Bye. Take care.